In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the owner of a Confluence space or page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure the right person has the access they need. Start by opening Confluence and navigating directly to the space or the specific page you want to manage. Make sure you're in the correct location before changing anything. If you work with many spaces, use the search bar or your recent items to jump straight there. It helps to confirm you're on the right space by checking the space name in the sidebar or the page breadcrumb at the top. Before making changes, verify that you have the necessary authority to do so. You'll need to be an owner, space admin, or have comparable admin level permissions. A quick way to tell is to look for options like space settings in the left sidebar or on a page, the more actions menu with settings or restrictions options. If those controls aren't visible, you likely don't have the right permissions and you'll need to ask a site or space admin to grant them. Once you've confirmed your access, open the settings for the area you're managing. For a space, click Space Settings from the sidebar. For an individual page, open the page's More Actions menu and choose Page Settings or Restrictions, depending on your Confluence version. This takes you to the controls that let you change who's in charge. Now, locate the section dedicated to permissions, ownership, or users. The exact label can vary, but it's typically called permissions, space, permissions, manage users, ownership, or something similar. Open that section to view who currently has elevated roles in the space or on the page. Find the current owner or responsible user in the list. You might see them labeled as owner, space admin, or responsible. Select or edit that entry so you can make an update. If there's a search field, use it to quickly locate the person you want to assign. Assign the new owner or adjust the permission role to give them owner or admin rights as appropriate. Be mindful that ownership or admin status grants broad control, so double check you're selecting the correct account. If groups are involved, ensure the person is in the right group before proceeding. Finally, save your changes. Look for a Save, Update, or Confirm button and apply the change. To confirm everything worked, have the new owner refresh their Confluence session and verify they can access space settings or page restrictions. If they can see and use those controls, the ownership transfer is complete.